Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks tank. To start, focus on foundational elements. You need to understand core stats like health and defense, which are crucial for any tank build. Always choose materials or components that offer high damage resistance. Prioritize abilities that actively reduce incoming damage, aiming for at least a 25% reduction to maximize your block's survivability. This initial setup is key. Next, let's talk about essential gear and upgrades. Equip items that significantly boost your health, aiming for an increase of at least 1,500 points. Always look for armor with a high defense rating, ideally over 500, to absorb more hits. Don't forget to upgrade your components to further increase damage absorption by 15% or more. These enhancements are vital for enduring sustained attacks. Strategic placement and ability usage are critical for a successful tank. Position your tank to effectively draw enemy aggression, protecting your more vulnerable allies. Make sure to utilize crowd control abilities to disrupt enemies and keep them off your team. Always activate your defensive cooldowns proactively when you anticipate or are facing heavy incoming damage. Proper timing can make all the difference in a tough fight. For advanced tanking, master threat generation to consistently maintain enemy focus on your block. Effective coordination with your team is also paramount for optimal support and healing. Remember, a strong tank is a team player. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching and happy tanking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.